Sanibonani guys, how are you guys? Yenina nangaza ngisho okay sorry ne dala ngekho ku story nje ngithi break shemlambe ngihloka break and guys sini nangaza ngithanda ukukhuluma ngendaba zamabandla and stuff like that because akiba go like who offend abantu ngenkolo yabo stuff like that but ngibhalele umamfundisi ungibhala awushozi ziningi izinto ezenzeka emabandleni eningazazi and nami I just want to share my story. So to mfundisi to leader uthi awushozi mina like bengile one of those girls like who believe in Christ, who believe in everything concerning the Bible and stuff like that. Bigili like that girl all 110% or believe ebandleni. I can't mention ibandla which church yeah global. So okay uthi awushozi like bengulo muntu lo uthi like he believer in everything and stuff like that. Like in everything I attend, anything concerning ibandla church I attend. Uthi hayi vele kube ukuthi uguy demfundisi sis uLydia yabona so uyaqala ke uyamcela out ukuthi awuSlydia in ngibonisiwe in yabona things like that ukuthi like you can be a perfect makoti for my mother in Kaurata uthi vele angishele like a normal guy angishele what I was choosing ngavumi at first ngibe like you know what mina I'm saving myself for my husband and angifuna ukuzimosha yabona so umuntu ozongena kulomuntu lo kulomzimba lo uzoba umuntu ukuthi uyisamadondo ekithi uthi vele ngimchazele like that or I was choosing I uguy vele angitshela ukuthi mina I will be that person ozothumela amandondo ekini uthi like ngithathe as a joke because I know ukuthi abafana ukuthi banjani when coming to bafuna something they will promise you something knowing ukuthi leyo something abakupromise ngeke base bayenza yabona uthi into besele ngijwayele whether ukuthi umuntu obandla or yini uthi ngiyabazi ukuthi basiniki labantu laba bafuna this thing yabona what I was choosing hayi vele ngingamthathi serious ukuthi kube umuntu ukuthi siyaqala ke manje uba serious ungisama 30 wenzani ukuthi mina ngize ngivuma ukuthi ngibe umuntu wakho awushozi lerato empilo lesihlayela or hayi vele ngathi bese ngiyafola ke in love no guy asithin sithi guy sithi Pastor Sam yabona sithi Pastor Sam yeah uthi ngifula in love no guy uguy akube indawo zokuthi ke manje uguy sofuthi ukuthi ngivakashela hlala khona ngifuna ukuthi ngivakashela uthi ngiyavakasha but taba ela ya hore siphahlo uthi vele angayiphathi ngiyovakasha asikhulume sicoxe sibukela aba movie ungabuka ukuthi uyayikhuluma yabona uthi one time ngimvakashele emini uthi brothers athi kimi athi you know what I'm planning ukuthi mina nawe siphile impilo like emnandi and rebe bathu baba wealthy. So do you want ukuthi uphile nami sizokhona ukuthi re navigate this life together yabona uthi vele ugela uthi ngoba si together ke uthi uguy vele akuqinya weli one I'm ask ke abo acela ugela ukuthi you know what will you marry me ugela or I was just like you know like a surprise and even out of nowhere uthi hayi vele nami ngivuma uthi leso sikhathi business 6 months into the relationship uthi ngivuma uguy vele athi I've got a letter ngicela ukuthi ngele basikini sothumela amandondo or I was just like bengabelieve ukuthi into ekhulume uqala ukuthi I'll be the one uthumela amandondo ekini and stuff like that yabona actually kube wengiqiniso uthi vele ma family sahlangane awushozi ayikube ukuthi vele uguy hayi kube ukuthi ngibe guy bafike kithi kusho kulotshola and stuff yabona uthi makulotshola so uguy bekasebenza izinto lezabo beka IT something IT yabona uthi bekasebenza lapho so like una this opportunity ukuthi angasebenza from home most of the time uyakayiwana officeini per week and stuff like that yabona so most of the time usendleni usisi uthi leso sikhathi yena beka funda bayaqedelela like a certain degree bekayenza so or I was sure uguy ayenze one time athi mathi baby like I've got this opportunity to go to this other country so are you willing to go with me now uzabusoqedile ukubhala ama exam ugela uthi ngibheke calendar ngibheke ischedule sami uthi hayi leso sikhathi ngizabe vele ngaphala ngizabe sengicedile uthi uguy athi you know what pack your things ratsamayo or I was choosing kube ukuthi ngiyabhaka ke ngibhaka amabheke mina no guy vele senza ama passport sithi to this country athi yangayo mina he told me ukuthi uyangomsebenzi so we went with this country I was sifika lapha yana it's an African country masifika lapha yana uthi like masifika they welcoming uthi masifika there was this guy uphethe iphepha ubhalile ukuthi ufuna thina. Okay, well I was just masifika lapha yana guy like uthi yabona abantu abashade, you can see ukuthi this man nanoma bathi like company cannot send this person or so. What uthi like kube first red flag, but also akaxhokome like angayifakanga like engqondweni that much ngavele ngathi okay, maybe it's because of it's an African country, izinto mina bengizexpectile kimi zokodi move ngobona uthi ayisihambe sihambe uthi masifika ukayasthatha asisevele ku hotel uthi masifika ku hotel my husband afike ke abulisane na this other guy bakhuluma uthi kube ngathi abantu ababonane before abantu akhulume naye ashoza uthi labantu bakhulume ngathi bayazana from somewhere uthi ngimukuthi umuntu yamazi athi I know imazi but it's like in feel connection yakhe yabona or ashoza this guy ne like mina ngimele mo like because of raho siyakholwa siyathandaza singeni sonto the choir stuff like that kereke like serious church yabona so uthi awushoza umuntu athi hayi man let's relax go countering enwa let's order itakila uthi ngithi takila. Are you drinking? I know, like, go vacation, so like you need to relax. Like we can drink gancane nje ukuthi like sithi gazi yabona kube mnandi uthi awusoze ngingavumelana nelendaba but yena continue order a bottle of tequila at time and buyasiphuze buyastash yabona or awusoze umuntu kube ukuthi vele uthi yangideshela mina vele like spirit sami salo so you know I don't want to drink and vele ngistick it with I'm not going to drink in a foreign country and I'm not even drinking so angiphuzi so angizophuza namuhla ngiphuzisa uthi ngale uthi guy vele abe official athi yona athanda ukuziqinisa yazi ngari mundimu kwa hawole one mundimu kwa everyone so for you to do something fine it doesn't mean ukuthi ukhosa isini like kulobona what else kube umuntu ukuthi uyangenelela like so attack my character ya uthanda ukuzenza ngathi wazi kakhulu ngeBhayibheli in uthi umuntu angattack uthi in my mind ngisho ukuthi I because of so uqalile ngale tequila yakhe ke alcohol ebulelanga asiyena uthi umuntu aphuze still like he's trying ukuthi mina ngiphuze uthi vele ngale spirit absithi ungaphuzi uthi vele awushozi ke hane ke no mina I'm not going to drink so now if you want to drink alone ahole na akiqonwa jwalo wabona uthi hayi vele indaba ibekanjalo vele ngingafuni ukuphuza uthi vele mara ngibe alert should like sengibona this character yakhe ngingayazi enezangena azangikhombise yona bekukuqala vele angikhombisa yona so uthi ngihlale ngingalali uthi aphuze ugayi aphuze masahleli kugena ifone call ukuthi iza downstairs yabona athi I know I'm going to meet that guy benginaye phansi siyokhuluma indaba zebusiness yabona uthi vele angishiye ehotel room ahambe or awushoza umuntu wathama ebushubo bohle abuye ekseni uthi mangivuka ngivusa ukuthi umuntu uvula umnyango uyangena uthi vele ngimbuza ukuthi uyaphutha athi hayi bengina this guy lo yana yesterday hayi umuntu ngithathilwa ngisasa uma bengasakhona ukubuya I'm sorry my love uthi makafika akasanuki like that strong alcohol to show ukuthi no like besise party or wesikuphi yabona uthi ubone ngathi umuntu bekalele somewhere usharp befuthi like kulona umuntu olele nenowavuka uthi bekumuntu nje athana wasingalalanga yazi be this house ku party in nezangoma safuna ukuthi ngibuye and mina phela bengisaba ukubuya ngwane because ngizolahleka you know ukuthi this place asiyazi yabona uthi ngimbheke awusho ngibona umuntu like he's lying ngicabela ma but ngidlulise because of he's my husband uthi hayi the second day kube ukuthi ngithi kanti le company akuthumelelana ithi uzoyenza uthi athi hayi the company connect with this guy but in the next 2 days so for now it's just vacation vibes and then the next 2 days then ngila khona kuba I work the whole time until sizesijike or I also ngisho ukuthi hayi mana siphume like sibone indawo story kulobona athi hayi no ungathori there is this guy ozalana ufuna ukubona because I told them ukuthi mina nginomfazi ngisenomfazi la I'm not alone so they wanted to see you last night ngathi so lele so I told them ukuthi they can come over this afternoon ukuthi bazobona kulobona uthi vele angafuni ukuthi ngiphume vele ku hotel room ansister ukuthi hayi sihlalelana sizophuma later after sebahamba what else shows as a partner like you'll trust your husband or your partner lokho uthi hayi vele sihlale athi no sihlalelana endlini sihlala ne hayi uthi guy vela insist ukuthi ba order i-breakfast i-room service ibalethele breakfast bahle endlini then athi no sizophuma lana endlini ngelunch masiyo hlangana nabo downstairs kulophi yabona uthi okay awusozivele kumele uthi around lunch time athi geza like ube beautiful unuke kamnandi bakubona ukuthi ngishada umuntu omuhle uthi hayi be kanjalo vele indaba uthi isikhathi selunch sifike umuntu abe ukuthi ubhizi uyangikhethisa agcoka lena yakufanela in uthi okay like feel proud or umuntu wakho obatlo khansa kana kodi chominza hayi yabona uthi vele angitshela ukuthi makeup ube muhle man ube muhle uthi like angimotivate or gebejwang ura awushozi kisina problem I did whatever like ngifuna ukuyenza ngigcoke ngizilungise nami ngiziphochonge and stuff like that uthi vele athasehle vele sebafikile uthi masehla vele uthi masijika vele ku maskena kule restaurant mokuhlangane ki uthi ngibona abantu bagqoka ama chain nama watch nama ring uthi like ishaye kilitswala ugugu ngizokudla umuntu lona la kuhlanganisa my husband uhlanganisa inalabantu abaso cause renal bathu babakena Greg I thought ukuthi ngibona abagqoka abantu abagqoke representable abagqoka amasuit abantu abagqoke formal or even casual but umuntu ubona ngor wayithumphisa ugqoke kahle yabona uthi abantu bagqoke ama shirt wama niyabiza inoma prints ama print angisho nithini thina sithinisi ngelanguage mahwala khwasha nabona la washet la yo uthi bagqoke lawo bagqoke like that yaleni ngapha ama ring or ashozikiba uqobeke or ngibona la ukuthi labantu laba yigelekece yabona laba abantu yigelekece afika introduce abatshela igama lami hayi bangibulise uthi like ka attitude and ka this look ukuthi bangibhekile uthi bangidobhe from up and down yabona uthi bangibheke or awushozi ngibuza ukuthi kanti kusikhiphana uthi vele sihlale lapha yana kukhulunyiwe ukuthi hayi with the shipment you'll get it in uthi ukhuluma like business lingo but ngathi bayangidida ukuthi ngaba understand uthi hayi no problem mina ngihlale lapha ngizihotele ngidle ngicede uthi masihamba ngimtshela ukuthi kanti labantu laba uhlanganisa inabantu abaso uthi kanti wayujaja abantu uNkulunkulu uthi sibajaja abantu na uthi like unsharp ka or like ka reverse psychology ane Bible kulabona angithi yeah wayefuna ujaja abantu in awubheka abantu ufana ukubheka abantu from within ngaphakathi hayi appearance ukuthi bagqoka kanjani stuff like uthi angishaye kanjalo ora awusozivele ngidlulise sibiyele ku hotel room umuntu angitshela ukuthi no ngiyaphuma ngizobuya ngasidala so relax ungathatha inap ngitshela ukuthi no I just want to go out and see the place athi hayi ungathatha inap ngizobuya yabona uthi ko la kulama hotel room kunale disikhathi ongena ngayo yabona hotel room and then you know ukuthi from outside ungavele uclock in ungene kule umnyango ungena yabona uthi hayi awushozi ngiziphathele like kiborokonyane kulabona because of sengibhorekile uthi hayi ngizicambalele embedeni uthi ngiwuza umnyango uthi khutlo after a while but ngitwereke light like ngilele light uthi ngiwuza umnyango uthi khutlo uthi ngicabanga ukuthi ugayi yabona or awushozi mawuvuleka umnyango ngilele uthi ithi umnyango like it's behind me shuthi ulele ubhekile so uthi umnyango la kugcina khona umbhede uthi umnyango ulele ubhekile yabona so uthi makalela abhekile umnyango uyavuleka uthi umnyango mawuvuleka like uthi that I couldn't it turn around or like ngisho ukuthi I ubuyile like it's my husband or awushozi kudluleka something esharp enhlaba uthi inhlabile yangithi xo uthi mangithi ngiyajika ilabantu laba bayithula bayana those two guys abahlangana nabo phansi uthi ngisamangele awushozi ngavele kwacima ibani leso sikhathi azange ngisakhumbula anything from there uthi kwacima ibani uthi mangithi phaphara ngikwenye umuzi engingawazi uri awushozi amaboda like amhlophe but bongathi la emabodeni kunamakaka the way like lamabodi bekangcole ngakhona uthi awushozi ngiphaphama lapho uthi mangiphaphama lapho ngiyazibuza ukuthi kuphi umyeni wami uthi mangivuka ngithola la phansi isponge nale ngubo yabona laba ingubo lawo ababopha ngama furniture lawa grey idonkana uthi nengubo idonkana uthi ngakhona ubona kune two slice inkwa necup uthi phakathi cup kune juice or awushozi ngizwe ukani what's going on abona uthi vele ngithi uthi huna le i-window but like kunama blinds yabona la kune frame ye-window khona uthi ngihambe ngithi ngifuna uvula la ma blinds ngibheke ngaphandle or awushozi angithi ngidonsa ama blinds i-window and then la ngaphandle ba plasterile bafake itina or like beyi-window ne bayivale ngiyitina uthi like ngibona ukuthi yabona la something off or awushozi ngicala vele ngiscream uthi one of the guys vele angena makangena athi uyarasa uthi uyarasa yabona uyarasa uthi ngibuka ukuthi ngifuna ini la where is my husband athi lo bhudu lo othi uyarasa uthi athi husband are you married yabona uthi guy athi no that guy besinaye ku restaurant like that's my husband where's my husband I want to see my husband yabona then uthi like vele sengiyaqala ukuthi manje first uthi bengapanic uthi sengiyabona ukuthi manje sengiyapanic ukuthi hayi man this guy ndiyahleka ngakhona mangithi husband do you have a husband yabona uthi like idlale like in my mind ukuthi hayi do you think with this guy ngingilethelana kanti uzongithengisa yabona uthi like kube ngathi sengi snapper out of le uthi sengisnapper in ku reality manje ukuthi like msponcho too sly juicy akuna window this guy usemnyama uthi like ngibona ukuthi manje something wrong uthi ngithi where's my husband uthi sorry ngawuthi where's my husband uthi this guy vele ahleke vele angasho next avala umnyango vele ahambe or awusithi bathe ngiyabheka ukuthi maybe like escape kanjani or like there's no sign ukuthi ungaphuma lapha angina phone angina next ifamily yami since ngikhuluma naye after ngilenda azangisakhuluma na or awusithi like urane luje ngadoro what's going on or bamkidnapile ugayi naye ufana nami kwenye room awusithi vele ngiscream ngishaya umnyango ukuthi ngicela ngivulele ngicela ngingalimazi my husband in or awusithi kelle to next ukuthi ngiyakhathala emzimbeni uthi ngiyakhathala angisakhali ke manje sengikhathela uthi ngilale lapha esponchweni uthi like uthi akusana the emotions butse the way like sengizongakhona ubuhlungu sengikhathale ngakhona uthi ngicale ngithandaze uthi ngithandaze asho sikibise emundini ngithandaze ngikhale uthi ngithandaze uthi mangithandaza ngicale ke manje ngicalise phansi ngikhale kakhulu ngikhale ugayi vele abe irritated vele avule athi uyarasa angizokutshela futhi uyarasa uthi ngimtshela ukuthi ngicela ukuthi ningalimazi my husband if nimthumbile ngiyangicela please ngicela ukuthi ni-assure ukuthi umyeni wami alright na uthi athi kanti wena are you married uthi ugirl athi yeah I'm married to that man benize naye uthi uguy ahleke athi are you serious athi yeah I'm married to that guy engize naye or awushozi that guy kill South African I'm South African moreling ngothenki foreign country so if ever nasim South African bengabelieve ukuthi angithengisa so bengicabanga ukuthi bamkidnapile and bakidnapper nam also ba separate yabona so that's why like I was pleading nabo ukuthi no please whatever you do don't hurt my husband in uthi but mangikhuluma ngehusband uguy ahleke still like uyahleka kodwa like ngizizwe ukuthi kanti kwenzakalani la yabona ola awushozi kube ukuthi sengihleli sengikhalela uthi manje sengidlala vele sengiya rewind ukuthi size lana I didn't know the cause of the trip bekuthi indaba zomsebenzi and umuntu bangafuna ukuthi ngiphumele ngaphandle ukuthi abantu bangibone uthi like uthi like izinto ezinengizidlala engcondweni lo muntu ukhulumela lo muntu ngathi uyamazi mangithi my husband this person uyahleka yabona uriba nonkiri 1+1 is to this guy ngabe ungilethelana ukuthi uyangithengisa or what yabona or awusuzi hayi ngidecide ukuthi you know what ngasa scream let me save the energy uthi ngicamalala esponchweni uthi ngicamalale awusuzi uridlala abanong inthweri uthi ngibonele two slide lapha phansi uthi ngidop between slide yangihle uthi leso sikhathi ngicabanga ekhaya sengicabanga abazali sengicabanga everything sesike ngine clear mind ukuthi this guy ungiset the up mangizalana beyafuna ukuzongithengisa and stuff like uthi say like sithi kinale mindset and sengiprogram ingqondo yami ukuthi angeke ngisamfuna ngithi my husband maybe that's why this guy angihleke yabona or awushozi ngicambalela lapha ngicede ukudla lethu slide nale juice zabo engazwakali yamanzi or ngihlele lapha yana uthi uguy avula umnyango athi my sister vele angibizi uthi avula umnyango mavula umnyango vele uthi vele ngiphakama because bengilele phansi uthi ngiphakama mangiphakama uguy uyangena lo yana uma chains lama ring uguy lo nalo umunye bekanaye uthi nomyeni wami nayo uyangena uthi vele ngithi hawu bathong kanti kwenzakalani uthi the husband didn't even respond athamtshela ukuthi whatever they want you cooperate for impilo yakho if you don't want ukuthi ushone whatever bayibatlang utloyetsa so na this is goodbye uthi awusozi ngishengi osisi uthi that was the last time I saw my husband he just left like that ongishiya njalo ecountryn engayazi nabantu engabazi or I was choosing from there, like bengiyisicathulo sawonke umuntu ofuna ukusigqoka. Bengingena any brothel, any hotel, any guest house, anything. If they want someone ebazomgqoka, bengiba isicathulo. Uthi I've never, uthi all my life I saved in myself for my husband. Not even this husband, for anyone who's on shelter, because I respected my body, I respected anything concerning Christ and everything. I respected myself. For someone from my own country, angithatha outside the country to foreign nationals, so they can do whatever to him. What I was just in I believe the way I cried, the way I blamed God, why I do my situation, why did He allow this person in my life for us being clean throughout impilo yami, thinking ukuthi eskilathela esingilandela umthetho wesonto, umthetho weBhayibheli, ngeke anything bad like this will happen to me, or like ngimzonda uNkulunkulu, bengizonda ibandla, bengizonda anything to do with the Bible. Or I was choosing the way I got so abused, the way beki fethlulwa ka thing, like by different men, different sizes and big sizes. And isn't when you've been with one person your entire life, and then semanje different men badlala ngawe as they please, because if no sabatle ne batlo trap. So if they want you to do something, you do it, or to trap you. Would at first bengiba nenkani because of nisho ukuthi batlo nketsa. And I was just say those people, they don't care. If babatla something from you, they will take it by force. It's either you are vuma or bazoyithatha ngenkani, and bazoyithatha baze bayithathe nala embobeni wrong because of wona lenkani. I was just beguyimpilo ngiphile for 2 full years. Or if ever you can search through the internet, story sami sikhona somewhere ngasicoca uthi ngiphile for 2 years lempilo ileyo. Uthi one stupid day I was choosing this magogo uyangibona this guy ukuthi ungikhiphe somewhere, bekangisa to some brothel yabona, so bebangibeke a holding place la bebangibeke khona, bazongimove to that place. Uthi umama angazi what happened ukuthi azafike la bengikhona khona. Uthi mama ngibuza ukuthi who are you, ngamtshela uvela kuphi ekhaya, uthi ngamtshela. Or awushozi lo mama vele wavula lo mnyango wathi run athi le ndawo la ngiyazi, bengigcoke impahla zengipintshayo kusaba parallel itlhako. Or awushozi the minute lo mama athi run angivulela lo yamnyango ngabaleka, or kachaba, uthi ngangena ezindlini engingazazi zamashape, uthi ngangena uthi bekija khona uthi angakutshela ukuthi sometimes we live impilo yethu not knowing ukuthi a stranger will help you, angakwazi angafuni next in return. Uthi ngagijima ngavelela ku main road, yaphithizela vele, uthi freeway yaphithizela vele izimoto. Or awushozi ngavele ngamaphambi kwemoto, imoto yabreak, uthi imoto mayibreak ngavula umnyango ngangena ngaphakathi, because the person be shocked ukuthi lento mazana le ndlela ngezinyawo ifunani. Uma sesishocked ngavele ngavula umnyango wavuleka, ngathi ngasiphonsa ngaphakathi. Uthi ngathi ngathi please drive. Uthi ubhuti bekachachazela naye thuki ukuthi what's going on, avele wa driver wanyathela accelerate imoto yahamba. Uthi endleleni ngamchazele ukuthi kwenzeke 1 2 3 4 5 angisiwa ngapha in itori uthi ngachaza story sami, uthi ngakhala, uthi bengikhala inyembezi namafinyila angene emlomeni, uthi beko dripper everywhere bengingasana ndaba. Or I was shows you guy or driver uhlala like uma apartments lawa right of kulenda, uthi a driver angithatha ngisalahlala khona, uthi afike kimi athi ungageza, and then from there we'll take it from there. Uthi awushozi ngafungene showereni ngageza, first shower right yamanzi warm right, awushozi kahlapa. Uthi mangeza ngakhala, uthi ngakhala. That was the first day since ngilapha for over 2 years ngathandaza khona. Uthi eshowereni ngathandaza, I prayed, ngambonga uNkulunkulu ukuthi uthumele that lady to save me. Or like I prayed so hard ngikhala, like trying to ubonga uNkulunkulu uthi ngibonga na this guy. Uthi mangicela ukugeza ngithola ungenzele ukudla athi kimi do you have a number la ungafuna khona and explain story sakho, someone who can assist you. Uthi ngithi siyithi but I don't think they can assist me because of abekolala. So I want someone onga assist uthi ngibele back to my country. Uthi guy athi don't worry my friend iphoyisa ngizomfonela ezelana, we will try to help you ukuthi uhambe wele again. Or I was just see ngadla ukayi ngithola ngenzela ukudla kuwomngadla, and then he said to me go and sleep, so we will talk tomorrow morning. Uthi angikhomela ngala khona. Or I was just karoba la boroko ngalala gone ngathi ngilelekithi. Uthi the following day ukayi siyabe sisatshele ukayi lo wephoyisa makeza vele uyazavela iphoyisa uyangibuza what happened. Ufika njalo la ngamchazela story sonke, abhale statement. Ukayi azama kwayiwa kuma embassy kwazami ukuthi vele ngibele bheki ngoba sekuyicase ukuthi ngize ngokusumthetho kahle kahle bebangiyenza bebangitshontsha stuff like that bazongithengisa yabona. Uthi vele ukayi vele aphushe this thing. Look I lo uthi lesikhathi makaphusha I'm still living no guy, this guy engingamazi. Uthi ngihlala naye leso sikhathi baphushe bayilungisa amaphoyisa bayilungisa indaba kube ukuthi bathi okay no we can deport you that side. Awushozi kube ukuthi ubuya kwami ngapha eMzansi angibuya. I've never told anyone ukuthi I'm coming back. Okay angiphe imali ukuthi uma ufikini khona ukuyini. Uthi angiphe like imali ukuthi izongi-assista ngize ngifike ngasekhaya. Uthi azangifonele basekithi I even tell anyone ukuthi I'm coming back. Uthi ngilende mangilenda e-airport I went straight ekithi. Mangifika ekithi ngifike ngikuce ngikhale ngibachazele ukuthi 1 2 3 4 5. Or awushoze na angifika ekithi ngikuca ngikhala, my family was so shocked. They were surprised because their husband came back, the passport yami, amabhegi, everything yami, and said mina ngilahlekile ngalena. Angazi ukuthi ngenzekeni, mina ngilahlekile with these other guys. So mina ngamshiya kanjalo. So like ucreate a story esivu ngathi ngifike ngale ngile ufebe kakwaka fihla kakwale ngathola umuntu ngamshiya. Ucreate a story like that. Mangifika ngikhala ubhutlo ngasistile ngipha amanamba wakhe ngifike bese ifone kama ngimfonele ngeWhatsApp ngimfonele luckily I answer ngimchazele ukuthi ngifikile in please explain what happened to my family. Ukaya batshela ukuthi lo muntu lo ngithole starting kwenzakala ngichazele ukuthi wantu uthi le story ngibatshela sona vele kube ukuthi ukhuluma le story uncede iphoyisa in uthi my father he was like you know what samlanda lo mfana. Uthi suke city police station uvulwe iqala ugayi sivulele ugayi iqala ugayi labantu lobangala ngithengiseleki already sebamcontactile ukuthi hey ishipment ibalekile and obviously mayibalekile iza kuphi eSouth Africa. Or awushoze sisuke nevele amaphoyisa kuyiwe endlini la ukuthi kobanjwe ugayi masifika house to let uthathe yonke into yakhe impahla uhambile ugayi. Or even today awushoze likathi kule kai usabatla ke maphodisa asimthola asanokuthi uskipe e country or what happened. My family decided to you know what asambe sikiwo kai. So chaza ukuthi what really happened to umntwana we want ama answers from the family. Or ashozi ubaba mafika bomfana sifika bomfana kube ukuthi vele kuya argue ya umfana not baba akhuluma story sonke. The family was so shocked. Family was shocked because of they thought ukuthi mina ngishiye umfana because of I found this guy on a mali that side. So I left him ngibaleke hotel without even telling him ukuthi ngiyapi. The only thing mina ngibhalele WhatsApp ukuthi it's over, I'm starting my life this side with this guy. WhatsApp sikhonjisiwe thina as family. So ungangachaza ukuthi wenzeke 1 2 3 4 let me call someone who assistile uthi start phones phone lukayo guy explained ukuthi no in size in stuff like that. About size mngane wamaphoyisa saya kuma embassies for ukuthi bam assist in yonke into yabona achazela the ex family uthi umama wakhe la kwanila down wakhala like athi ihlazo lingaka wayebona ukuthi ahamba yokuthengisa wayebeka kuthengisa athi thina simangele umuntu manje masimfonela amafoni wakhe wonke akasangeni umuntu akasasebenzi we don't know ukuthi kuphi. That's when thina sihambe sovula case for a missing person kanti umuntu utshontshe wena uthi vele bamtshela ukuthi simvulele icala amaphoyisa ayamfuna. If ever you can see him tell him bakasidlodlo bayamfuna or awushozi this person namanje akatholakali and I fear ukuthi uzoya a province enye ahamba yenze another girl the same thing angenze yona cause I think ukuthi it's a pattern. It's just ukuthi mina I was the lucky one ovele waphuma kule situation cause the reason ngisho njalo is because of masifika laphayana this guy bekamazi the way bakhuluma bekamazi. It wasn't the first time ambona. So for me telling my story is that abantu abavula amehlo ungathi ku relationship umuntu sibudubudi ufuna ukushada sibudubudi afuna ukuthi ihambene outside the country athi be alert if inner voice yakho it know there's something fishy ilalele like baleka awushozi nakithi usiseke me o akimithi libitso angimazi naye beyangangazi but uyovele wathi run me running kwangisave ukuthi ngibalekela kumuntu alright and well connected. If it wasn't for that bengengize ngibe like njengabanye abantu ngabe nami sengi under statistics ukuthi usibani bani wayenzakalani bekaphila kwayenzakalani. Mina la South Africa igama lami kuba ukuthi ngiyazithengisa outside the country because of ngithanda amadoda anemali but not knowing ukuthi mina ngasuthola indoda engithi ngiyithanda ngibekele impini nginikeza impilo yami only for him to be greedy ayongithengisa ngale. Asazi shem asile sithengisa abantu isithana abantu abakukhiphela amalobolo arisatsiba. So ladies be careful ukugela uthi be careful because she feels ukuthi this guy akaqala ukuyenza this thing atomi and for someone to hamba uthengisa umuntu obekazigcinile agcina umzimba wakhe. Bye guys.